Well, the good thing is the Z Flip 7 is going to have an upgrade in it. Let's go. Good job, Samsung. I can finally be happy with you guys. Kinda. Yeah, I gotta put the kinda in there. Because the Z Flip 7 is gonna go from a 6.7 inside display to a 6.8. It's not an upgrade. It's not an upgrade, okay? It's gonna get 1 inch. And while some people, myself included, would say that, that's a big upgrade, it's not a big upgrade in the phone world. Okay, so it's not. It's really not. It's getting 1 inch bigger. It's gonna be the same exact thickness. It's not getting any thinner. It's just gonna be 6.8 versus 6.7, which is cool. It's one of those situations where, hey, that's an upgrade, right? But that's pretty much it. There was previously reported that it was gonna be a 6.85 inch display, so like 1.5 inches bigger. That's not the case. It's only 6.8 inches, and that's pretty much gonna be it. Listen, with the Z Fold 7 just being the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, I'm just kind of expected this, to be honest, right? We expect Z Flip 7 to also not be an upgrade and just be a copy and paste pretty much. And that's exactly what we're getting. It is what it is. Samsung, this is just a down year. Google is going to absolutely destroy. The OnePlus Open 2 isn't coming out this year. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is going to be absolutely amazing. And we just got to accept the fact that every other phone that comes out this year is going to be a dud outside of Google. So Samsung is in that kind of situation too. Motorola, it looks like they're going to be pretty much re-releasing their phone, but does have new colors, which is cool. Updated processor unit, which is also cool. Now, the Z Flip 7, there hasn't been any leak about the processor. So for the Z Fold 7, it's going to have a watered down Snapdragon 8 Elite processor unit. It's going to be a watered down version. It's going to have a couple of their, not processing. Might be processing? Yeah, processing cores removed. So imagine the 8 Elite processor, but a couple of their processing cores removed from it. So it's going to be a watered down variant. That's what we are hearing from the Z Fold 7. Now, the Z Flip 7, we don't know if there's going to be a watered down variant or it's going to be the same exact phone. We have to wait and see. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.